Okay, this is pretty straightforward. We're going to solve for x and we're going to justify how we got to the solution. So, first thing, they give us that 4x minus 9 equals 99. So we're going to say 4x minus 9 equals 99, and we know that because it's given, okay? Given information. Now, what can we do from here? Well, if we wanted to solve this, the first thing we would do, we would add 9 to both sides, and that would result in this right here, 4x equals 90. And what do? We add it to both sides. So we say that is the addition property of equality. And finally, what's happening to x is being multiplied by 4, so we need to undo that with divided by 4. We divide both sides by 4, and we get x equals 22.5. And that was the division property of equality because we divided both sides. So we've solved for x, and those were the ways that we justified each step that we did.